Cerelac is the most common baby food which is seen in every Indian household.
Cerelac, 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 Cerelac sachet है ना?
When it comes to initiating weaning foods, Cerelac is the first option chosen by all mothers. In a shocking expose, an investigative report discovered that Nestle's popular baby food brand like Cerelac in India contained high levels of added sugar, as much as nearly 3 grams per serving. They didn't find that in Europe. So this is what found me astonished. Cerelac is a cereal fed to children between 6 months and 2 years of age. The World Health Organization or WHO defines added sugar as any type of dietary sugar that is added in processing or preparation of foods. Added sugars are sugars and syrups that are added to foods during processing or preparation. They can be natural sugars like honey or artificial sweeteners like high fructose corn syrup. Infants have a natural affinity for sweets and food overall, but doctors and experts advise that added sugar should not be given to infants at all, while little or no added sugar is advised for children between 12 to 24 months of age. In fact, I never fed my child sugar till the age of 36 months. Now, WHO has warned that added sugar can give the child a sweet tooth and lead to baby teeth to rot, and also the increased risk of obesity and related diseases. They wanted a ban on added sugars and sweeteners in foods for children under 3 years of age. Too much sugar in childhood may lead to unhealthy cravings as kids grow older. In excess, this sugar can lead to obesity, which puts a child at risk for developing high BP, elevated cholesterol levels, and type 2 diabetes. There is also a risk of higher obesity. WHO has repeatedly called for a ban on added sugar in baby food and warned manufacturing companies against misleading health claims on labels. So what can you do? I have curated a list of healthy, nutritious, homemade baby food recipes that you can prepare easily at home. I'll leave the link in the description. Click on it and get these homemade recipes. These homemade recipes are not only healthy, but they're also easy to prepare. They ensure that your baby gets the best nutrition without any added sugars and artificial ingredients. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel for more such content, and let me know in the comments if you try any of these baby recipes and how your little baby likes it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.